They proved me innocent, but 20 years of my life is already gone. 20 years ago, I was convicted of a crime I didn't commit. I remember sitting in that courtroom listening to the prosecution twist my life into something unrecognizable. There was no real evidence, just assumptions, circumstantial claims, and a system that had already decided I was guilty. I screamed that I was innocent, but it didn't matter. The jury believed them. The judge sentenced me, 20 to life. Prison stole everything from me. My freedom, my career, my relationships. I watched my friends disappear one by one, too uncomfortable to deal with the reality of my situation. I lost everyone, even my own mother, who died before I ever had the chance to hug her again. I used to dream about proving my innocence, but after years of rejection, I gave up. Then, out of nowhere, they reopened my case. New evidence. A confession from the real criminal. Just like that, after 20 years, I was free. But what was I supposed to do? I walked out of those prison gates into a world I no longer recognized. I had no home, no family, no idea where to start. The world had moved on without me. They proved me innocent, but they stole my life, and no amount of justice will ever give it back.